Looking for the perfect ride to kickstart your child's off-road adventure? Meet the 2025 Kawasaki KFX 50. This pint-sized ATV is packed with features to make every ride safe, fun, and unforgettable. Stick around as we break down 6 reasons why the KFX 50 is the ultimate choice for young riders in 2025. 1. Beginner-friendly design. The KFX 50 is designed for first-time riders with a low seat height and easy handling. Imagine your little one confidently mastering their first trail ride without feeling overwhelmed. It's a proud parent moment. Reliable 49cc engine. This durable 49cc engine is perfect for delivering smooth power without intimidating speed. Picture this: a safe yet exciting ride through the backyard or a sandy dune with a big grin on your child's face and zero worries for you. Safety comes first. With a throttle limiter and a tether kill switch, you're always in control. Think about this. Your child is zipping along a trail, and you have peace of mind knowing the speed is perfectly adjusted to their skill level. Rugged, kid-friendly durability. Built tough for active kids, the KFX 50 handles bumps, splashes, and occasional tumbles like a champ. Imagine your child splashing through a muddy puddle, laughing as the ATV keeps powering through without a hitch. Stylish and bold design. With Kawasaki's signature green styling, the KFX 50 is as eye-catching as it is functional. Visualize your child riding with confidence, feeling like a pro, because their ATV looks just as cool as the grown-ups. Easy maintenance for parents. Keeping it running is simple with its low-maintenance build. Picture this. After a fun-filled weekend, you spend just a few minutes cleaning and checking the KFX 50, leaving more time for planning your next adventure. So there you have it. 6 reasons why the 2025 Kawasaki KFX 50 is the perfect ATV to inspire your young rider's love for the outdoors. Want to know more? Hit the like button and subscribe for reviews on the best rides for every age and adventure level. Ready to gear up? Let us know your favorite feature in the comments below.